Hey besties, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm sure you'll be here for a while. We have fun over here. So today we'll be reviewing this water jerry curly drawstring from Curlsqueen. Shout out to Curlsqueen because they have some of the best units out there. Whether it's clip-ins, drawstring ponytails, wigs, or bundles, Curlsqueen really set the tone for how your hair should look and what good quality hair should feel like and consist of. I've been trying to give my hair a break from the wigs and that constant tension and pulling on my edges and my strands. So I've really been into protective styles lately, and I think a drawstring ponytail is one of my favorite protective styles. So rather than doing a regular ponytail, I wanted to experiment a little bit and do a cute little style because I always see those braided styles everywhere and I can never try them because I'm so tender-headed, y'all. The days of me sitting in a salon and getting braids for 6 to 8 hours are long gone. And I think once I've made that realization, my scalp got used to the fact that I wasn't getting braids anymore. So now when I even try to get my hair braided, it just hurts so bad and I just don't want to put myself through unnecessary pain. So I did these really cute flat twists and I was surprised because they came out really neat and really sleek, and it looked just like the inspo I was going for. So I was happy after trying this. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch for a little bit just to see how simple this process actually was. My favorite part about this ponytail was how lightweight it was. I cannot tell you the times I've put on drawstring ponytails in the past and it literally felt like I was holding a brick on my head. This hair is also 100% human hair, so you can cut it, dye it, style it any way that you choose. And that little drawstring y'all saw me pulling, y'all, this ponytail will not be going anywhere. And that is all thanks to the drawstring.
Go figure, you are the trigger. You brought me to an obstructive view. When you know the picture was bigger, we were the kidding. But from the beginning, you rule everything, every time. You are no friend of motherfucking right. Motherfucking right, I'm bitter. Motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, tryna let the time fly.
And that is it, y'all. This style turned out so cute. I was so obsessed with this. Natural styles are really the way to go. This ponytail literally makes it easy to get up every single day and not take more than 10 minutes on your hair. I am obsessed. Drawstring ponytails have really come a long way, and this hair does not shed, it does not tangle, and this texture literally resembles my hair to a T. Get this ponytail, sis, and use this code on the screen to save some coin. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!